So y'all, real deal here at Akins and Wild Willies. We're still popping out Covert Edition Diamonds. We have another STX, my favorite STX we've done over the 2021 lineup. So I hope you're excited about it. I'm ready to show you this beautiful black on black Covert. Let's go. So you see this truck from the front and you notice it's a STX by the honeycomb grille. They changed it slightly for the 21 14th gen, but then you see the emblem and the Akins tag and the blue's been painted to black, and then you start to guessing. You're like, then you see some KM3 mud terrains from the front, and then you're like, huh, could this be? And then you get coming around to the side and you say, oh yes, Covert Edition at Akins. Iconic, and it stands out, and you know that it's tried and true Wild Willies custom, y'all. I love this one. We're leveled on 34s, best components possible on an STX truck. So you may say, real deal, what's an STX truck? It's essentially a XL truck with power windows and locks, comes with 20-inch wheels and a few more amenities on the inside, but it's a price point that is much lower with added components from us that brings great value. So let's get right to it. We started with the best level kit option that we trust and know is the Roush Fox 2.0 coilover leveling suspension kit system. Got Fox shocks in the rear as well. Ride quality is great. Truck's truly leveled out. Mild to wild scale, we're definitely on the conservative side, but we have a great wheel and tire combo. The KMC Technic wheel, 20x9 plus 18 on the offset. I'm gonna show you how that looks in just a second, but the 295 60/20, which is a 34-inch tire, KM3, so you've got a wheel that emulates kind of a off-roadish, Mustangish street vibe. This wheel's got a lot going on, and it just kind of really works, especially when wrapped in a mud terrain tire, and especially even the KM3. This tire rides really good to be so aggressive, and this is a great combination overall. No trimming whatsoever. You see we've got crash bars still intact, front and rear. That plus 18 sticks in so nicely on the 14th gen. As I've told you in the past, this suspension system sticks out slightly more than the 13th gen truck, so keep that in mind. If you typically run a 0, you may want to run a plus offset if you like the more tucked in look slightly to achieve what you're looking for. So I love this wheel and tire combo first and foremost. I think this works very well. That wheel with a aggressive mud terrain tire on an STX truck complements it so nicely. These side badges are still that ugly, pesky gray color for some reason, so we did body color to match on that. And then you notice, you may say, yeah, no running boards, but it does have running boards. We did the magic ones, the amp power step, y'all. It looks so great. Functionalities just perfect for us consumers. And on the inside, you still get your 8-inch touchscreen, still get a good looking interior with the STX. And the cloth seating is okay, but we added leather to really just take it next level, bring a lot more value to you, the customer. That looks great. Front and rear. Then we did WeatherTech floor mats, of course. We got paint protection film as well in the door cups there, door edges as well. So you got added protection from us. This truck's ready to roll. I mean, this truck is all there, y'all. Fox 2.0s in the rear. You got rear wheel well liners, of course. And then we took away the STX sticker on the side and opted for the 4x4 off-road sticker. It's so subtle, but it's perfect because you don't see it initially, then you kind of get the look and you're like, oh yeah, love that. An Akins liner in the rear, and then out back did the same thing with the custom emblem. So subtle, nothing over boastful, overdone with this one. Still got rear park assist as well. This is a good look at mild to wild scale from the rear. That's a perfect setup to me, y'all. I love that. Let me know what you think about this truck. So you don't have to go high end even to an XLT to achieve what you're looking for. Look at that stance. Look at that black on black. You know, we did one that we reviewed with my son Brady at the ball field, and that thing sold in like 2 days. This one's hitting the lot today, the 28th. And y'all, driving in this STX truck, I truly love it. It's got a great feel to it with the more positive offset. The KM3s really ride very nicely to be a mud terrain tire. And you don't have a leather wrapped steering wheel, and you can tell some of the interior qualities are not quite at the level of your 3028 XLTs or definitely the Lariats, but it's still a phenomenal truck as a whole, inside and out, and I just think the price point makes it such a great value. Window sticker wise, let's show you where we're at. Pause here to see all the standard equipment, and this does have the 5.0. A lot of these STXs have the 2.7. Sorry for the dinging. And then here's your Covert edition window sticker, y'all. You see the price point in $13,498, but you got essentially close to $2 grand there. You got $1,800 there, you got $1,300 there, and so forth and so on. The wheel well liners, the running boards, essentially almost $2 grand, and then, you know, 1,500 bucks there. So there's a lot of value in this package. As crazy as that may seem, $62,888 with great discount here at Akins. It makes a lot of sense because you're getting so much value in this package. You're getting things that even the Lariats do not have at a much lower price point. And where are you gonna find a truck like that? I mean, you're gonna be buying something like this, which are all just stock trucks. And don't get me wrong, I'm not hating on a stock truck, but they're stock trucks, and everybody's got them, and they're just not black on black, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is a beautiful truck. I just think it's a sweet spot for you, the consumer. I'm a consumer too, y'all, and I think this is just a great overall value for all of us. So let me know what you think about this one. It's about to hit the lot. Of course, don't hit me up or hammer me. I would, if it was mine, I would definitely do custom headlight paint work or something with that, and also with the tail lights as well. But whoever buys this truck, we can do that for you, you know. So we got you covered. Even though we're short on inventory, we're still popping out diamonds left after right. So come see us. Hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, social media, YouTube, TikTok. I'm on TikTok now too, going strong, y'all. So thank you all for watching. This is a beautiful truck. Let me know what you think. I need your comments too, y'all, because I like seeing feedback from you guys. So let us know. I sure do appreciate all the love and support. Peace.